to donate generously and also ensure you endure your addresses with the emblem. It will interest you to know that the Military Pension Board just concluded documentation of ex-Biafran personnel totaling about 102 who are pardoned by Mr. President. The ministry will continue to engage the pensioners through relevant organs like the Nigerian Legion, Veteran Affairs Division, and the Military Pension Board to ensure that government obligations to them are met. The war is now 51 years old. After the war, we are now talking about 51-year-old. And 51 years is a very long time. The number you learned, 102, I think is the best number we can get, considering the lifespan of most of us. And I think that's why the number is that low. But the government, in its initial seizure of the war, they say, oh, vanquish. Okay? So that's why we have this low number. And some of us who are in it, I joined the service in 1968, and I know I was in the service during the Civil War. I know how many of us are left in service. We are not up to 10 out of 85. So I think it's a normal transition that God has permitted into us. So the number is the best we can have. And we are happy they are surviving. And we are happy that the government is going to look into their allowances.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.